Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Neha, and today we're diving into a topic that hits home for so many people: how to become fluent in English. And joining me is my awesome co-host, Sam. What's up, Sam?
Hey, Neha. Excited for this one. It's a question we hear all the time. What's the best way to become fluent? And today, we're not sugarcoating it. We're giving people the real answer.
Exactly. So let's get straight to it. The truth is, there's only one way to become fluent in English, and that's by speaking it every single day. Not just studying, not just watching videos. You've got to use the language.
Right. You can memorize grammar rules and vocabulary all day. But if you're not speaking, you're not building fluency. It's like trying to learn how to swim by reading a book. You've got to jump in the water.
I love that analogy. And here's the thing, fluency doesn't mean perfection. It means being able to express yourself naturally, even if you make mistakes. Native speakers mess up all the time. Fluency is about flow, not flawless grammar.
Totally. So let's talk about how people can actually practice speaking every day, even if they don't live in an English-speaking country.
Great point. Here are a few practical tips. First, narrate your day in English. Just talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing, what you're thinking. Second, use language exchange apps. You can chat with native speakers who want to learn your language. Third, join online speaking clubs. Zoom calls, Discord groups, whatever works. Fourth, record yourself. Make short videos or voice notes and listen back. And finally, shadow native speakers. Repeat what they say. Match their tone and rhythm.
Those are gold. And honestly, even just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. It's about consistency, not intensity.
Exactly. And let's not forget the mindset part. You've got to stop fearing mistakes. Every awkward sentence is progress. Every time you stumble, you learn.
Yes, celebrate small wins. If you learned one new word today, that's a win. If you spoke for 2 minutes without freezing, that's a win. Keep going.
So, here's our challenge to you, the listener. Starting today, speak English for 5 minutes a day. Narrate your morning routine. Talk about your goals. Describe your favorite movie. Just speak.
And if you want help building a personalized fluency plan, reach out to us. We're here to support you.
That's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with a friend. And don't forget to follow the show for more practical language tips.
Fluency is possible, and it starts with your voice. Speak it into existence.
Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you in the next episode.